Can't wait to do another air show. I get paid $700 every time I do an air show. This one is special because every plane on Wright Isles will see my air show. Can't wait to start it. All right, we must climb at the right altitude. LOL, I'm already starting the air show by pitching by the limits. It's time to do a barrel roll. Commercial jets like me cannot do barrel rolls. I carry cargo and do air shows and investigate stuff. I'm carrying cargo to BTW. Wait a sec, I think cargo just detached all nitrogen monoxide and plus pilot. The flaps are going down by its own. We're gonna stall.
Okay, I'm trying to recover the stall.
Mayday, mayday, we're going down. Say I love my family.
Jesus Christ.